Yeah. Ooh. Yeah. Look.
Feel it like the sunny. Just flexing, you call it Pilates. On 10, even when my mind on things. Hey, skydiving now, I'm feeling cloudy. I'm feeling geeked, I'm feeling geeked up, yeah. Look at my charm, that mouse on the floor, and feel it just like a tour. You look like the past, I'm in the future, yeah. Talking to mom, minding the dumb star, yeah. Now I'm pushing forward. I'm feeling geeked up, yeah. I true, yeah. Sick of fighting all these demons. I'm a minus and I know dreaming. Medicate till there's no more feelings. Bustin' ever ups, trying to kill all these mind games. Studio cooking new pop. Mood up and let's have the Nikes. Feel too tough. Not even size won't fight me. I'm blessed, no love, no, I'm not into astrology. Positive, same boost. ID, call it solitude. Say they friends, but they all cat. Where they at when the walls fall on you?
Guys, I think there's something wrong with my camera. You see how blown out I look? It's not like changing the setting to, what am I trying to say? Normally, guys, what I'm trying to say is my camera is set to auto exposure, right? So whenever I go in bright light or darkness, it should automatically change on its own, but it isn't. I'm about to research how to fix it. Hello guys, welcome back to another video, another vlog. Happy Wednesday to you guys. So today you guys are just gonna chill with me and we're gonna see what happens throughout this day. Okay. So guys, I was just about to make some Milo. You know me, that's my thing. But then I realized I don't have any milk. So no, I can't make Milo. What am I gonna drink with my breakfast? I normally go for hot beverage when I'm eating breakfast. I don't typically go for drink because it's the start of my day. It's my breakfast. I normally like to go with something hot. But right now I have teas. I have a whole lot of tea down here. Green tea, all different type of tea, but I don't want that. So probably I'm just gonna go with some juice. I'm gonna go with some juice. So guys, I know you probably noticed that I'm in a little office space. Yeah. So I sacrificed my dining table for a office space. So my office is set up in the dining room, which should have been the dining room. Let me show you guys. Okay, so this is a little setup I have here. So this is just my desk, my plate that I eat from, minus that. TJ's bottle, minus that. So this is my little desk. Still have a lot of work to do. Have to set it up properly. That painting that back there should go on the wall right there. That's my little bookcase. I'm gonna put like my equipments, my camera. This camera that I'm recording on was right there. So I'm gonna put all my other gears and stuff there nicely. All of these right here, well, minus TJ's car seat, this is supposed to get rid of. And these are some other paintings that needs to go on the wall. This mirror I'm gonna put right here. So, but guys, stay tuned for the reveal, okay? Also you see me struggling with that thing this morning trying to set it up for the bathroom. Let me show it to you. This is the over the door rack that I was working on this morning. Gave me hell. It is not my cup of tea to put things together that come disassembled. So yeah, it's done. My husband was like, you see, it wasn't that hard. Oh yes, it was. I don't have fun doing those at all. But yeah, so it's done. I'm not going to show you the rest of the bathroom. I'm going to do a complete video for you guys for the bathroom. So make sure you stay tuned so that we can do the big reveal, okay? So this is funny. So guys, I'm watching my friend's daughter. So she's here with me. And you know what her question was? What are you doing? Why are you talking to that thing? You see, there she go again. Like, that's just crazy. See, the life of YouTube. You look crazy. You look crazy.
Taking names down, I don't have to say how. A brand new start, I'm on the rise. Flying higher, 'cause I got the fire that burns in my heart and in my eyes. Every time I fall again, I rise up, rise up. 'Cause the haters can't destroy what I love, I love. Nobody can take it away from me, from me. I know I can make it okay. They'll see, 'cause I'm fighting through the night to the other side. Alright, I got no apologies. I'm unstoppable.
Okay, so that's not working out. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna measure the distance between the things that are on the mirror to hang, and then I'm gonna measure it on the wall and do it that way. Because the way I did the other frame over here, I could literally just hold it up like you see I did, but I can't do it with this one, so I'm gonna have to figure it out.
Last chance, I got no apologies. I'm unstoppable.
So guys, we had to pull out the big gun. By the way, I bought this drill on I was about to say Black Friday, not Black Friday, Prime Day. I'm going to do a video of all the stuff that I bought Prime Day, but this drill, I needed one for the longest time. Woo, I'm so happy about it. So I'm gonna link it below just in case you're interested, but that's what we're gonna use to drill our hole.
Taking names down, I don't have to say how. A brand new start, I'm on the rise. Flying higher, 'cause I got the fire that burns in my heart and in my eyes. Every time I fall again, I rise up, rise up. 'Cause the haters can't destroy what I love, I love.
Are you ready for the reveal? Are you? Are you ready? Okay. Let's go. Yes, guys, so that's what I'm working with for now. I know it's kind of bare, but listen, I'm not an interior decorator, but I try. And there's other stuff that I need to get in, and on these shelves, as I say, I'm gonna use them mostly for work stuff. As you realize, I have like my printer for my label printer, like my scale is back there too, so I use my other camera as a part of the decor. So the stuff like that is basically like work stuff related, instead of like decor. I mean, of course, like the little flowers that are there, I'm gonna leave those, but yeah, it's gonna be mostly work related. But I'm just happy for my little space, y'all, my little office. I like it. My daughter says, because this couch, initially when I got this couch right here, I turned it around like in the living room, and it did not look good at all. And don't worry, I'll show you guys the living room soon. That's another vlog for another day. But it did not look good, so I was between putting it in my room, and I got the idea to turn it this way, so it's like a part of my office. So my daughter said, Shamoya said, it give you a counseling feel, you know, like, okay, come in, sit down, take a seat on the couch, cry your eyes out, tell me your story, tell me what's happening. Yeah, so she said give her that feel. So, but I love it. I love it. And remember that I mentioned that I'm going to link the drill that I use in the description box. And what else? Pretty much everything I use is from Amazon. The little hammer, the hammer is a very short hammer. I bought that on Amazon too. I did not show you guys that. Let me show you. So I know if you're a guy, you're gonna be like, what? You're not interested, but this is perfect for, I think, a female. Woo, TJ, be careful. This is perfect for a female. It is very small, very handy, and the weight is literally only in the head. So it's not heavy. The weight is in the head that you can actually get the job done. So I'm gonna also link this hammer. I bought this on Amazon, but it's been a while. So, but the drill, as I say, look out for the video, the Amazon video, the stuff that I bought on Prime Day. Guys, great stuff, great deal. I was sharing some deal on Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, make sure you go and follow me at Tamika L Bennett. I share really good deals over there. We have a lot of fun. We talk about all sort of stuff, parenting, lifestyle, deals. Get on over there, okay? With that being said, I'm gonna wrap this vlog up right here. Thank you all for watching. Make sure that you tune in so that you don't miss a thing. Hit that bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. Bye.